What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Khadija. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are back with another wig install from Beauty Forever here, and today we're featuring their 24-inch 2-in-1 V-part wig, and this is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received. I received a goodie bag. We received a wig cap, some eyelashes, a bonnet, melting strap, and we also received a extra strap for our wig. Yeah, we received a lot of goodies. And finally, this is our wig for today. It is their 2-in-1 straight to curly V-part wig. And when I say straight to curly, I mean it is straight now, and we can also turn it into a deep wave by just simply adding water. Yeah, 2-in-1 wig, okay? And this is a 24-inch unit. It's like 180% density. I could be wrong, but if it's not 180%, it's definitely higher, maybe a 200, but it definitely feels really good. So this is our wig for today. It is their V-part wig, 24 inches long, a 2-in-1 unit from straight to deep wave just by adding water. This is it. It came with the clips. Pop them open, put them underneath the hair, and bam. Came with the strap on and the combs in the side. Comb in the back as well, and this is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and make your purchase. Remember to use the discount code to get 20% off. It's down in my description as well. To get any other products from Beauty Forever here, their website is also in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. Make sure you check out my description to see all the details for this here. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. I have my hair braided, but I'm definitely gonna pull this out and adjust it to fit my wig. I'm gonna do some leave outs at the sides and in the middle, so I'm just gonna go ahead and section that out and then re-braid it. So let's do that. So this is our hair, it's in section, and I'm about to put my wig on. My hair is super short, so I just use elastic bands to hold the braids at the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. All right, so we're gonna put this one in first, because I always forget that one. So we're gonna pop it down like that. Then we put these underneath and underneath. Let's just show you guys. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna do the next side so you guys can see. It's popped open, and push it down, close it, push it underneath, close it, and yeah. So next, let's fix the back of it now. And I'm also gonna push the combs in at the side. Okay, so this is it. Listen. So this is what it's looking like. So now I'm just gonna open my sections, but as you can see, it looks really natural right here at the hairline. There's no flat there, it looks really natural. Go ahead and flat iron my hair, and basically that's it, and make my edges. But yeah, make sure you go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. This is it. This is their 2-in-1 V-part wig, and it is straight right now, but we're about to get curly in a minute, okay? This is it, guys. It is 24 inches. 24 inches of magic. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but if you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Remember to use the discount code down below to get 20% off. This is what our wig is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like. I haven't made my edges as yet, but this is the vibes that we're getting. Natural, sewing, everything is natural, okay? Once again, today we're featuring Beauty Forever here, and this is their 24-inch 2-in-1 V-part wig, and this is what it's looking like. This is it, and I'm in love. Like, that's it, nothing else. If you want to get this wig, the link will be in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Remember to use the discount code down below to get 20% off your order. Guys, this is what our wig is looking like so far. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. This is it. This is it. This is what it looks like straight. This is it. Super natural, high quality V-part wig. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Remember to use my code to get 20% off. It's down there in the description as well. This is what our wig is looking like. This is it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and curl this unit, and I'll be using my Cream of Nature mousse and water. Okay guys, so I just finished curling my hair and it gave us some really nice deep curls. And I love it. It took me like 5 to 10 minutes to get both sides curly. And this is it. Again, today we're featuring Beauty Forever here, and this is their 24-inch 2-in-1 V-part wig. You saw it, it was straight, and it took me about 5 minutes to get it to a nice deep wave wig. This is it. I totally love it. Very versatile wig. You can't complain if you're not a straight person. It can go curly. If you want to try straight, then you can go straight. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from Beauty Forever here, their website is also in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Remember to use the discount code to get 20% off. This is what our wig is looking like. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.